guys, looking your best has proven to increase productivity and confidence. So let's talk about glowing up. We get serious about glowing up when sometimes we get pushed into a corner, or we just get fed up with ourselves and we have like a clear vision of who we want to be. The only thing stopping you from being that girl or who you have envisioned yourself to be is the necessary steps to take to glow up or to just level up. And that is exactly what I am going to be sharing with you guys in today's video. And might I also add that pouring into yourself physically is one of the best forms of self-love. So congratulations in advance for taking that step into clicking this video or searching for this video. So with that being said, sit back, relax, let us dive right into today's video. Number one tip for this video is to choose skincare over makeup. Now you guys, I don't make up when I come to talk to you guys here on my channel, and that is because I have been able to like achieve a clear skin. The maximum thing I'm going to put on when I'm filming my videos is lipstick. Apart from that, I'm good. Just imagine my skin is not clear, I would always want to cover it up. Not that there is anything wrong with makeup, okay? All I'm saying is that have a simple and a sustainable skincare routine, because nothing beats the confidence that a clear, glowing, healthy skin gives you. Not even the most expensive makeups, I guarantee you. And also, you don't need so much skincare products as people tend to like push now on social media. The only thing really that you need, especially if you're just starting out your skincare journey, is some cleansers to remove dirt, moisturizer to hydrate, a serum. If you're starting out, I would just recommend maybe a vitamin C serum and a sunscreen. These 4 products are the only thing you need, especially if you don't have so much going on with your skin, like active acne or all of that. These are just the only 4 things that you need, unless you have other needs and then you need specific products or specific ingredients to, you know, tackle your specific skincare needs. Personally, for me, what I go for whenever I'm choosing my skincare products, I go for hydration and balance. So I go for products that will hydrate and products that will also improve my skin barrier. You can figure out what you want to achieve with your skin, and then you can go for products that will help you achieve that, okay? If you have acne prone skin, don't go using products for normal skin because you're not going to be achieving anything. So go for products that will suit your specific needs. Also, I post weekly contents on skincare recommendations and your favorite products reviews up on my Instagram. So if that is what you want, or you want like recommendations or reviews of products, make sure you are following my Instagram because I post that weekly up on my Instagram. Now with that being said, let us dive deeper. We have established the foundation of glowing up, which is skincare. Now let's talk about hair. You guys, your hair is equally as important because your hair, the way you do your hair, literally molds your face. So find like a very sustainable or low maintenance hair routine or hair care routine. It could be sew-ins, it could be wigs. Personally, I opt for wigs. However, if you put on wigs regularly like I do, please do not neglect your natural hair, because a lot of you have like really nice wigs but your natural hair is dry and chapped and does not look good. Make sure you're also investing good money and good products into your natural hair as well. I have this hair oil on the screen that has really helped me to like add volume and shine to my hair. So if that is what you want, you can actually go for this. It is so good. Guys, classy nails makes you look put together. There's just something about having your nails and looking put together that just goes hand in hand. I love simple acrylic sets. If you cannot get your acrylic sets done every month, you can opt for a press-on nails if you're that girl. Personally, I don't like press-on nails, but they are more cheaper and economical if you're looking for something that is, you know, a little bit more budget friendly. Otherwise, just go get some classy nails done. You don't have to do too much or go crazy and go like extra long nails. Personally, for me, I don't like it. I don't think it looks classy. For me, it looks a little bit tacky. You know, just a medium long nails is beautiful. A lot of people have surrounded their glowing up based on losing weight, and I will tell you exactly how I lost weight. Okay, now at the beginning of this year I added so much weight, not like so much, but I added some weight that I just didn't want. So something that helped me to take or to shed all those fats off is intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is like a whole video dedicated to it, and I'm going to be dropping that video. Let me know in the comment section also if you want to see that video. Okay, so intermittent fasting is basically a period of time where I fast. From the name you could tell I don't eat throughout that period of time. I do mine from 6 o'clock to like 1 p.m. I don't eat anything, and I do this on a regular basis daily for about 1 month. You guys, I did this just for a month, and the results were so visible. The results were so visible. When people ask me, oh, you lost some weight, how did you do it, what did you do? And then I tell them, oh, I don't eat from so time to so time. They're like, I could never. But girl, if you want to really be serious about losing weight, I think you should practice intermittent fasting. You could make more researches and just, you know, practice it based on your schedule. It doesn't have to be in the morning. You could do it in the afternoon, in the evening. Okay, there are different types of intermittent fasting, so you can choose the one that suits your specific need. If you want to know also what I combine with my intermittent fasting, let me know in the comment section, because trust me, that topic deserves a whole video dedicated to it. Now let us talk about your hygiene. You are not serious about glowing up if you don't want to upgrade your hygiene. You guys, your hygiene says so much about your person. It makes you look clean, it makes you look put together. Oof. And I also have like a whole video dedicated to that, and I'm linking it up here if you want that. Also my shower routine, a routine that helps me smell good. All of that is in one video, and I'm going to be linking it up here for you to see after this video. Practice good hygiene on your body, practice safe sex, eat well, you know, drop some junk foods. I have stopped taking soda for almost a year. I don't drink soda, I don't drink Fanta, I don't drink Coke, I don't drink any of these things. And another thing that I want to stop is alcohol, alcoholic wines. That one is really holding me down. But I have really stopped all sodas, and it has so helped me. So learn to also prioritize your health. Go and get your hormones tested. You guys, most of the skincare battles, the skincare challenges you're having is not even from your skin. Most times it's from the inside out. It's your hormones. Your hormones might be imbalanced, and it is going to affect a lot of things about you. It is going to affect your skin. It is going to affect, maybe you might be adding weight uncontrollably. You might not even be eating too much, but you're just going to be adding weight regardless. This all has to be traced back to your hormones. So go and get your hormones tested. Make sure you're taking good vitamins. The vitamin on the screen is the one that I personally take, and use boric acid suppositories. You guys, boric acid is the truth. I love it. All of these things are basically so necessary in your glowing up journey. So be sure that you practice all of these things. In short, bring your notebook and make sure you're jotting all of these things down. Now that is out of the way, let us talk about your styling. Your styling, the way you put yourself together, what you wear, is like a representation of you. So it needs to be put together well. Okay, you need to put more effort into it. You guys, I would recommend you finding a signature style based on what your style is, based on what you like, what your vibe is. Personally, I love classy, sexy outfits. Like most of my wardrobes now, I have been building my wardrobes with clothes that are like classy and sexy and monochrome. All of these things are the things I'm building my wardrobe on. You figure out what you want and you stick to it, and you build your wardrobe or your closet based on what you want your style to be. Go and get a signature perfume. Even before we talk about perfume, let me also add this, that you don't need to necessarily wear any dress you see online. Just because the dress looks good on a model does not mean it is going to look good on you. Make sure that when you are shopping clothes or outfits, it is going to suit your body type. There is this lady that posts about knowing your body type on Instagram. If I can find her, I'm going to be linking her down in my description, just to help you guys out, basically, because I want you girls to just get your stuff together. You guys, I really want that for you if you're watching this video. So make sure if you're shopping your fits, if I see something that is going to look good on me, I know instantly. And if I know this is not going to flatter my body, I also know instantly. If you have a belly, you cannot be wearing some type of dresses, unless if you don't care if your belly literally pokes out. If you have, you know, broad shoulders, there are some dresses that are going to help you curtail that. So basically, dress according to your body type and shop dresses according to your body type, and trust me, it is going to make so much difference, and you're going to thank me later. Okay, now talking about perfume, your perfume is like you. Your perfume is literally you. It is something that will pop into people's head when they remember you. I want to remembered by the way I smell, by my fragrance. I want when you remember me, you're going to be like, oh my god, I miss the way she smells. She smells so good. And trust me, that is like one of the best compliments ever, when someone tells you you smell good. So invest in nice perfumes, get products that will help you smelling good. You can get like a body butter, you can get like body oils that will help you smell good. Just make sure you are investing in things that are just going to make you smell good. Okay, and now that we have all of that out of the way, these last two tips I'm going to be giving you guys is like one of the most important. If you do all of these things that I mentioned earlier and you don't do these last two, you're basically fooling yourself. Okay, so now let us talk about it. Now the last two is your mental glow up. Your mental glow up is basically even more important than your physical glow up, because if you have yourself put together, you know, you have your lash extensions, you have your nails, you have like really good perfume, but you don't feel good about yourself, all of these things are basically trash. And remember that we are glowing up for ourselves first before any other person around you. Okay, so this is why I really have to dwell on mental glow up as well. Something that has helped me to glow up from the inside out, which is like basically very important. You want to glow up from the inside out, from your mental health outside of your physical, is to create a vision board. This is like so important, you guys. Creating a vision board. A vision board is basically what you want yourself to be, all the things that you want yourself to achieve, your skincare goals, your financial goals, whatever goals you want to achieve. You put a picture or something that signifies that on like a board. It could be like a physical board, or you could just do it electronically. I use Canva for mine. And then once you have all of these things placed together, you keep it somewhere that is going to be like a constant reminder to you that these are the things you want to achieve, so that you can take daily steps that will help you to achieve what you have envisioned for yourself too. Okay, am I preaching? Are you hearing me? Okay, now let me elaborate more. I go to Canva, I open up vision board, and then I go to Pinterest. I search like a bunch of things I want to achieve throughout my glow up, my finances, my skin, everything that I want to achieve basically. And then I put all of these things on that vision board. Then I use it as my wallpaper on my phone and also on my laptop. So whenever I open my laptop, I scroll through, the first thing I'm going to see is that vision board, and this is going to motivate me to take daily steps that will help me to achieve whatever I have set for myself to achieve. Glowing up sometimes can be a little bit overwhelming, especially if you're just starting out, you don't know what to do. But what I would recommend is to take daily steps that will take you there. Nobody glows up in one day. It does not happen like that. Okay, so what you basically need to do is to take little steps that will help you, and in turn, over time, you're going to see so much changes, and you're going to be so proud of yourself, honey. And the day-to-day steps could be having a routine. Have a morning routine, have a night routine, have things you do. You can start with your skincare, take a walk, read a book. You can write down something, have a journal, and have notes, have all your goals written down. All of these things are just going to help you. Set reminders. Oh, I need to take more water. If you don't like taking water, you could like set reminders, daily reminders at certain times that will help you to take, oh, I need to take more water, I need to go do my skincare, I need to remove my makeup, I need to clean my face. So you guys, my point basically is to have daily routines that you can fit in activities that will help you glow up or see changes at the long run. Now that we have covered up all these tips for today's video, I hope you found this video a bit helpful. If you did, Please like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. It is so going to help out my channel and to also help people that need to see videos like this a chance to actually come across my video. Let me know what you think about today's video down in the comment section, and also let me know what you would like to see from my channel, and I'll be bringing that up to you guys. I can't wait to see you guys real quick, real soon. But do not click off this video until you are subscribed to my channel, because you are still going to be missing lots of amazing contents and tips if you are not subscribed. And with that being said, you guys, thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you guys real quick, real soon. Bye.